We are gonna to take control directly. Click that instance. Click the instance ID. Instance
Where?
ID.
Oh, here.
Yeah. Now you grab the public IP address, which is 54.209. You have a copy button on top.
Mm-hmm.
Now open PuTTY and straight away paste that. You do not need a key now.
You want me to check first?
Now just type PuTTY. Nothing we have to do.
Okay.
Paste that and just change the appearance only. So Windows, you have
Appearance?
Windows, you have appearance. Below. Yeah, exactly. Change the font, make it bold, and select 18, which looks good. Click OK. Click open. That's it. We do
Open?
not, yeah, we do not need a key now. Just click open.
Okay.
Say yes. All right. So now log in as in root. Just type root ROOT. Enter. And remember, yesterday we set the password as a password.
Yeah.
Yeah, just type the password. Perfect now. So you are in Linux now without any key, right? Why? Because you remember we yesterday we changed
Hey,
one configuration,
Vipin,
right?
please, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Yeah. Yesterday we make changes in a sshd_config, right? The file.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So now open a lab manual and let's see what all configuration we have to do now. Open lab
Lab
manual.
manual. Okay.
Yeah. As well as the notepad where we have write something.
Okay.
I think I'm able to see directly here. Look at, go to take place.
Ah, I want this stuff to go away.
So first open a notepad.
Okay.
Yeah, all right. And then the notepad also. One by one. No problem. Yes. Yeah. Scroll down. All right. Scroll down. So this all we have did yesterday, right? We created database on the server
Mhm.
both.
So, Bipin, about the video, once I click on the link you sent to me yesterday, I can have access to the video.
Video, yes.
Okay, I'll send that to my email address.
We also create an EC2 instance, right? Yeah. Scroll down. Yeah.
Okay. Down.
This we did that, right? Yesterday we,
We did this yesterday.
yes. Let's go now. This also we did. We also we did. Now here we have to do something extra now. Okay. We have to create
Okay.
a database user and then we have to assign that user a permission on my database. So do not worry about the command because generally this command will run by a database admin, not by you. Okay.
Mhm.
All right. So
Okay.
Yeah, just copy everything, paste in a notepad. All this command, create user and all 4 line. Select all 4 line, yeah,
Offer. Okay.
and paste in the same notepad. All right, we can go up to
Oh,
3 only. 3 only. Yeah, this is fine.
okay. 3 son.
The last one is only exit, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just right click and say copy.
Man, it's refusing. Jesus Christ. Okay, I'll do it this way.
Say copy. All right, go back to notepad, paste below. All right, so remove
I'll
that
do it
extra.
this way.
Yeah, on 3 line. All right. Now, first, what we have to change? We have to change the bracket. You see, WordPress, you have a two
Yes,
column. Yeah,
yes,
just remove
yes.
and put column again. Same column, just put again. Just remove and put, because when you copy from note PDF, no, this
Yes.
character does not come right. So remove that column.
Okay. Okay.
Just put column again. Yeah, do the same thing there. Yeah, remove both of them and then put the column again. Do the same thing with the last one. WordPress pass. Yeah, change the semicolon, all three semicolon, because semicolon also not copy correctly from the PDF. Yeah, do the same thing with second one, third one. All right. So now, and the fourth one also have a exit, and then you have a semicolon.
Okay.
Yeah. So first you run the second command, because you have to log into your MySQL again. So copy the command, second command, not here, not here, not here,
Okay.
from top to second,
Here. Okay.
because we have to again do a login like we did yesterday. Just copy this one. Who is going to do this task? A DBA, है ना? Database administrator.
Okay.
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 So go back to your putty. Yeah, right click the mouse, it will should paste. Yeah, all right, hit enter. Oh,
Now we are connected to my SQL server, right?
I say that currently your SQL server is not running. So to make it run, we have to start the service. Okay. So go back
Okay.
up. You will get a command to start the service in a document in a lab
Okay.
manual.
Okay.
Go little up. Hold on. Hold on. Scroll down. Scroll down. Now first we have to check my endpoint, right? So go back to your RDS and check what is your endpoint. Yesterday we copy this endpoint, right?
Okay. You want me to copy this?
No, no, we already have a copy in your notepad. Go to
Okay.
notepad and look at that on top. You already have that copy.
Okay.
Yeah, just copy this, because we stopped the server now, so everything will gone.
Okay.
Do that one. Yeah. First clear the screen.
Okay.
Now paste that. Yeah, hit that one. Now hit this copy and paste the second command. All right,
Yes.
you are in a
Yes.
WordPress now. Now run the next command which you just copied. Go back to your notepad. Yeah, not this one. Create user. Create user.
Okay.
Hit that. All right. Now go and copy and paste second command. So it is gonna create a user in
Mm-hmm.
my database.
Okay.
And where is the database? It is running in RDS.
Yes.
All right. Yeah. All right. Click the next one. Now just type exit. You are done.
Okay.
So you've done the configuration of database. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now just say clear to clear the screen. Now we are going to work on a web server and WordPress application. So go back to your lab manual. We done that task. Yeah, this all be done. Scroll down. Scroll down. We also create the user. Scroll down. Scroll down. Now here we are going to install a web server. Okay. So what is
So
the web
what
server?
server?
Apache web server.
Okay.
Okay.
Apache web server. Yeah.
Yeah,
I see.
just copy the first command. So to install anything in a Linux, this is the command. Yum install.
Okay. Want me to paste it
Yeah,
on my
yeah.
notepad or?
No, in just you can directly paste it in.
Okay.
So now it is installing.
Wow.
All right. Now we have to run another command which say start the service, because you remember whenever we install anything in a Linux, by default
Start.
service is a start. Yeah. So go and copy the next command.
Come on.
Yeah. All right. Clear the screen. So just check whether my web server or Apache web server installed or not. We can copy the public IP address and put it in a browser. So go back to your
Okay.
AWS portal, copy the public IP address and put it in a browser or on your mobile or anywhere. It will run.
Wow.
And this is default Apache web server, but this is not a WordPress, right?
Yes.
Because currently I have only a blank page, a default page. Now we are gonna install a WordPress application. So I should get my WordPress website. So go back to
Okay.
the lab manual.
Wow. That's awesome. You are the best.
Yeah. All right. Let's go down. So this is how it will go. And so it is easy for you now to see the lab manual and then you can get it,
And
right?
continue. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So first WordPress application need to download. Okay.
Mm.
So
Mm.
download, we are going to use a command called wget. Just copy this one and paste it to the Linux.
Here.
Now it is downloaded the WordPress application into Linux. Okay, just type ls, hit enter. Yes, you get that tar.gz. So this is basically a zip file. Okay,
Mm.
right? That's like that. We create a zip file in Windows. It is also come in a zip file. So first we need to unzip it. So
Is it
unzip it,
Jeep?
zip, zip means compress format.
Oh, compress.
Yeah,
Jeep.
it's a
Okay,
compress.
let me write it down.
Yeah.
1 second. Okay. Jeep and Jeep. Is it G or J?
GJ. It's a Z. It's a Z.
J? Okay.
Z means zebra.
Okay. JIP?
Yeah, JIP. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Now we have to
Thank-
unzip it. Okay.
Okay.
So how we are going to unzip it? You have a next command, which is use a tar command. Right? This
Okay.
tar command is going to unzip this package.
So Jeep mean compress
Yes,
and Jeep is uncompress.
uncompressed. To confirm it is uncompressed, now you press ls.
LS is list, right?
List, yeah. You get another folder now, WordPress, right?
Wow.
Right.
Awesome.
So now we go inside the WordPress, type cd space WordPress. Yeah, hit enter. You are inside the WordPress now, right? Clear the screen. All right, go back to your lab manual. Now we are gonna make certain configuration here. Okay,
Mhm.
let's go down. First, I am going to copy the WordPress application to
Mhm.
my web server, because remember, when we run a public IP, I get default website only HTTP, right? Apache
Mhm.
web server. Now I want my WordPress application should come. So this is a copy command. Just copy and press that cp wp config sample php to wp copy. Yeah, just copy this one. Yeah. All right, it's copied now. So just say ls, hit enter.
Okay.
So many files now appear, right?
Mhm.
And your wp config sample.php also appear.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Yes.
Go back to your lab manual again. Hit enter. Yeah, this folder. Now we are going to edit this file. Just type nano and this file which we just created now. Wow, so huge file has been come, right? Scroll
Mhm.
down. Now this is a WordPress configuration file.
Mhm.
Scroll down. Here we hold on. Here we have to give everything. For example, what is my database name? What is my username? right? What is my password? Scroll down. And then where is my connection there? So everything we have to define. So first of all, we have to define what is my database name. You remember the database name when we created the RDS is WordPress.
WordPress,
So,
yes.
yeah. So go and change the database name on top, the first one. Go back to first one. First one. Yeah. And where it is, no. Where it is written database name here, remove that and just type WordPress within a bracket.
So I have to.
Yeah, just go to database name here. No, not here, not here, not here.
Okay.
NAME. Just type, oh no, all capital.
No, all capital.
You will
Okay.
say other side. Where you say database name here.
Oops. Okay.
Come this side. And now remove this whole line and type the WordPress.
Okay. To remove it, can I just highlight and delete?
Yeah, just say backspace or delete.
Okay.
Just
Backspace.
say backspace. Now press delete. Just type WordPress. Right? Now username, what we have given? Username we have given again a WordPress.
Okay.
Below also change the WordPress. I think the password which we have given is WordPress. No, Word. Can you go back to your notepad?
Okay. Connect part.
Look at that. What the password we have given? WordPress dash pass.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Not here. Not here. Below. Below. Create user. We have created a username WordPress, and we have given a password WordPress dash pass. Give the same. WordPress dash pass.
Okay.
Yeah. Scroll down. Use the arrow key. Now it say that what is your database server connection name, right? So
Yes.
just remove the local host and we are going to copy and paste my RDS server name from my notepad.
Here, right?
Yeah. Remove this. Yeah. Yes. Now go to your notepad and top one is your name. You saw third line. WordPress, carj log something. Yes. This is your complete server name. Just copy this.
Okay. This is the host.
Yeah, host name.
Okay.
Right click copy and go back there. Put your, yeah, just say right click and paste. Looks good. Scroll down. Still you're not done. No, not here, not here. Scroll down, scroll down. Leave it as it is. Scroll down, 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 scroll down. Now here it is going to ask you certain key. That key you will get only from the WordPress site. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So what we are going to do now? we are going to copy paste the key and paste here. So let's comment this one. So to comment, go before first define. You have a define,
Mhm.
first define, first line, go to first line. Yeah. Go, yeah. Go and start, not end, start.
Okay.
Go start, exactly start, yeah. Complete start. Before define,
Okay.
yeah. Now just type a backslash. You on just top of that you see it's saying a star and then a slash. So first you give a slash and then give you a star.
This one.
Yeah, and then give a star.
Start. Okay. Tap this one.
A star generally come on key number 8. You have a numeric key number 8 in your keyboard. Yes. Now look at that what happened, right? Everything is go blue.
Wow.
So it means that it is not going to run it, right? So just give a space.
Space.
Yeah. All right. Now just come in the last line where you have a last star, press enter. Last line, yeah. More last line, more last line.
Okay.
One more line below. Some a star, streak, yeah. All right. Yeah. Now come to the last. Come to the last. Hit enter.
Enter.
After the slash, hit enter.
Okay.
Yeah, hit enter. Yeah. Type something ABC. Just to confirm, it should not be blue. Yeah, it's not blue, right? So it means
Yes.
that I can just delete the ABC.
Okay.
All right. Go back to your lab manual. Now you are gonna get a key. So all we done that. Yes.
Okay.
Scroll down. 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 No, this is a URL. Just copy the URL and paste. Go up. Little up. More up. More up. 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 Not down.
Oh, up.
Go up. More up. Yeah. This is the URL. Copy that. HTTPS API WordPress.org. Yeah. Just copy this one. And if not copying, just click that. Click that one.
Click.
Yeah. All right. Now just copy this whole thing. Paste in a notepad first. Copy everything which you see. Go and paste in a notepad. All right. Now go back to your putty and again say yeah. Now just say right click and paste.
Okay.
You already have a copy, so you can paste. Click inside the black screen and then yeah. All right. All good. You done that. Now just say Control X, then press Y, then press enter. Say
You want me
Control
to? Mm-hmm.
Control X, Control plus X, and then press Y. Y means yes. Hit enter.
Wow.
It's a Linux. Okay, now you done most of the part. Now go back to your lab manual. Again, go back to browser and go back to the arrow key.
Okay.
Go back to the arrow key.
You have close it? Yeah. I think I close it.
Yeah, scroll down till almost last. Yeah, almost come to last. Yeah. Yes, we are done there. Here also we done there. Yeah, scroll down. Be there. Yeah, be there. So now go up little bit up. Yes, exactly. So he said that now we have saved this document and we done that part. So this is the command which we have to now run. Just copy this one. Just copy this one. Yes. Paste that one. Hit enter. Now we are going to install some dependencies which is required by my WordPress application. All right, go back.
Oh,
Just type only CD. Hold on. Just type only
okay.
CD. Just remove EC2 user and all. Yeah. Just type CD. Hit enter. Yes, you are back to a normal prompt. Now run the second command. Which
Okay.
you go
Paste.
back to. No, no, not here. Not here. Go back to your Linux manual. Copy the next command. Yeah, below. All right. You done now. Wonderful. Go back and run the last command. Last command sudo service httpd start.
Enter.
Yeah. Just copy, paste, and enter. Hit enter. All right, you done. Just wait. Yeah, wait for a minute. I'm just coming back.
Do you want me to press enter again?
You all did. Go back and refresh your website.
Okay.
All right, my friend, you did that. Copy this password, put it in a notepad. You have a password,
Mhm.
copy this whole password. Do not miss that. Copy, paste in a notepad because all right, you did that. Just give a website name or your site name along site. Do that in a username. Just type
Okay.
admin. Give an email.
My email.
Yeah, any email. Click install WordPress.
You have to check this box.
No, just fine. Leave it. Say logged in. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Give the username admin and the password which you copy. I think you already copied. All right. Say remember me. That's fine. Wow. You understood now that how the whole project worked, right?
Wow. That's it.
That's it.
Wow.
So you deployed an application in AWS server. You connect that application with database, and all is yours. Wait, your machine is slow because you have only 1 GB RAM.
Oh, okay.
You want to see the actual WordPress, how it will look like? Go to Google and type WordPress.
Okay.
So WordPress, my website is also running in a WordPress. Okay, it's a very easy. Anyone can create a website. Yeah, right. So straight away you can go and create your website. Wonderful. In a minute,
Okay.
correct.
I don't know why my stuff is in French.
What is that? Coffee.
Yeah. See, it's in French.
You selected the French one. You look at that.
Oh,
WordPress.com.
okay, 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 okay.
They know that you are a French guy. Yeah? Yeah. Click that one, first one, WordPress.com.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So
Yeah.
here you can create your account, free account, and then you can get. Look at that how it will look like. You see that? Be
Yes.
there. Go up, little up,
Oh, app.
up. Yeah. This is how it will look like when you're able to
Okay.
log in. No, this is how
Okay.
exactly it looks.
Okay.
So company use to run their their most of the website in WordPress. Few
Okay.
company like we are very small, so we do not create a server and database. We simply use this public site. Okay, but
Okay.
public site is not secure. Correct? No?
Okay.
So,
Okay.
but companies who wants to create their department site, their own local site, they want to have a security. So they want to deploy into their own infrastructure. Now look at
Okay.
that. I think it's not running. Can you go and check? Your, oh my God. So slow.
Yes.
Yes. Same screen.
Yep.
So here you have an option to create your website. Look at that. Create
Mm-hmm.
website. The first option, get us started,
Okay.
right? You can
Yeah.
customize your site. You can create a website. You can create a pages. You can create
So
blogs.
who will take it from here after the project is done?
User.
Oh, the user can do
Yeah,
everything
yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah. So let's
Okay.
say, for example, you are a user and now you want to create your own
Mm.
site within this WordPress. You can
Okay.
log in. You can create your own site. That's it.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
Yeah. All right. Go
Awesome. You
ahead.
are the best.
I don't know. You are the best, my dear
No.
friend. So you have a two choice now. If you want, you can leave this server as it is, or if you want, you can delete the server whenever you want. You can create it as it is, right?
Okay.
So go back to your AWS.
Okay.
I recommend if you are not using it, stop it, or if you want, you can delete it.
Okay. So
But it
go
is
back
much
to EC2, right?
easy to, yeah, go to the instance
D-
state.
terminate.
Yeah, perfect. Now go back to RDS, terminate. So next project which we are going to do is for DevOps.
Okay.
Here I will
Okay.
write a code into Java, and then I am
Mm-hmm.
going to publish that code into AWS using DevOps tool.
Okay. Cool. Which one is this one?
Uh,
Infrastructure?
yeah. So click.
Okay.
This one is a infrastructure. Okay.
Okay.
Second one is a DevOps.
Okay.
Third one will be Kubernetes.
Okay. Let me write it down.
Yeah.
One second. Infrastructure.
This one is an infrastructure project. Okay.
Okay.
Because here no coding involved.
Okay.
Second one will be DevOps, where the
Okay.
coding involved.
Okay.
Third one will be Kubernetes,
Mm-hmm.
where half coding involved, half coding,
Okay.
half infrastructure.
Okay.
Then fourth one will be security project,
Okay. Security. Okay.
because you also have to understand how
Yes.
you are going to secure the infrastructure on cloud.
Mm-hmm. So we have 4 projects, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
All right, just
And
delete that one also. Click DB
do we,
instance.
okay.
You have to delete one.
Delay. I have to go here, right?
Yeah, click that.
And
Select your.
do you also have another project or that's it?
I think four is okay for you to start with. When
Okay.
you maybe when you start applying for a job, and if
Mm-hmm.
you maybe if you feel that you need some other knowledge, then we
Mm-hmm.
can take this up.
Okay.
Remove that checkbox, create final snapshot. All right, say I acknowledge. Third one,
Okay.
and then just type
Delete.
delete a space me. Click delete. All done.
Okay. And once we finish these 4 projects, you help me with interview questions and my
Interview
LinkedIn
questions,
account.
preparing yourself, right?
Okay. You are the
Okay.
best. Wow.
So catch you tomorrow, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.